In today's video, we're diving deep into the latest developments surrounding SoFi stock, a name that's had an exceptionally turbulent start to the year. Despite the noise, today brings some exciting news following a rather controversial downgrade from KBW that made waves yesterday. We dissected that rating and exposed it as some of the weakest analysis we've seen in a while, riddled with misleading claims. But today, the tide is shifting as some bullish voices step up, offering a far more balanced perspective. Plus, it appears that retail investors have been actively buying the dip, signaling a strong show of confidence in SoFi's future. Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert this is not a financial advice video. For those who've held strong, this could be a turning point. With paper hands exiting and diamond hands stepping in, the stage is set for what I believe will be a transformative Q4 earnings report. This quarter has the potential to pave the way for SoFi's remarkable performance in 2025. The big news? SoFi has officially announced the Q4 earnings date earlier than expected, hinting that there may be significant numbers to reveal. This timing adjustment speaks volumes, suggesting that the company has some impressive data under its belt and is eager to share it. Another crucial factor: any updates on the Galileo tech platform. If we see a boost in 2025 guidance for this segment, it could signal major behind-the-scenes deals that will shape SoFi's performance in the coming quarters. Such developments would likely start reflecting in the company's trajectory as soon as Q1 of next year. This quarter is shaping up to be the game changer for SoFi, and Wall Street appears to be completely out of sync with the company's potential. The current gap between Wall Street's estimates and what SoFi could achieve is astounding. Analysts are predicting a conservative growth rate of 17% for 2025, but even in a cautious year like 2024, SoFi has been delivering growth of 23 to 24%. CEO Anthony Noto has repeatedly emphasized that 2025 is set to be a breakout year, with favorable macroeconomic conditions and momentum across the business. Wall Street's expectations are bound to be shattered, as I foresee growth rates exceeding 30%. Even if the company provides initial guidance around 25%, gradual quarterly increases could push the final figure much higher, potentially reaching that 30 to 35% range. The disconnect is undeniable. Analysts have estimated a revenue difference of nearly $500 million between their forecasts and what SoFi can realistically achieve. This disparity is driven by outdated valuation methods, such as legacy banking metrics and skewed price-to-earnings ratios, which fail to capture the transformative power of SoFi's tech platform. A major deal in this area could be the catalyst that turns the tide for SoFi and puts the company on a fast track to market dominance. Looking at the broader market, there's been a slight recovery after the recent 5% pullback during the Santa Claus rally. While this correction has kept some investors cautious, it hasn't dampened the momentum for companies like SoFi. The stock is up 3% today, and while other high-growth sectors like crypto are seeing even larger gains, SoFi's resilience in the face of recent negative press is a testament to its potential. After yesterday's sell rating, the stock was nearly flat in pre-market trading but rebounded strongly, a clear indication that retail investors are stepping in to support the stock. Breaking news from Deutsche Bank adds another layer to the story. A highly regarded five-star analyst has raised SoFi's price target from $11 to $14 in anticipation of the Q4 earnings. While this update is still categorized as a hold, it reflects growing confidence in SoFi's valuation. Notably, this comes in stark contrast to KBW's downgrade, which was amplified by 12 media outlets, creating unnecessary panic in the retail space. In comparison, Deutsche Bank's upgrade has received far less coverage, highlighting the manipulative tactics often seen in Wall Street reporting. This kind of manipulation underscores why it's crucial for retail investors to stay informed. Negative ratings often dominate headlines, causing dramatic sell-offs, while positive developments are downplayed. For savvy investors, This creates opportunities to capitalize on artificially suppressed prices. As SoFi battles back, its announcement of an early Q4 earnings release is a bold statement, signaling that the company is ready to exceed expectations. The upcoming earnings report is set for January 27th, and it's one you don't want to miss. This quarter is about more than just numbers. It represents the culmination of years of effort to position SoFi as a leader in both fintech and traditional banking. Recent deals involving the Galileo platform suggest significant growth ahead. Analysts are projecting $3 billion in revenue for 2025 with a modest growth rate of 17%. But SoFi's performance this year alone at 23 to 24% growth indicates that these estimates are far too low. My prediction? A growth rate closer to 33%, fueled by incremental quarterly gains and a robust strategy to scale operations. Let's break it down. If SoFi achieves $760 million in Q4 revenue, a $70 million quarter-over-quarter increase, it would place annual growth at 25%. By maintaining a conservative $50 million quarterly growth thereafter, SoFi could easily surpass $3.5 billion in revenue for 2025, delivering 33% growth. Wall Street's current projection of $3 billion falls short by $500 million, a gap that SoFi is well positioned to close. Even if the company starts with conservative guidance, incremental revisions will likely surprise analysts each quarter. This is the moment SoFi investors have been waiting for. With favorable macro conditions, a proven growth strategy, and the potential for significant tech platform expansion, the company is poised to redefine expectations. Mark your calendars for January 27th. This is the quarter that could propel SoFi to new heights, and I believe it will set the tone for years to come. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.